私たちは誰にでもなれて何でもできるけど、すべてをすることはできない。自分自身に甘んじよう。We tend to want to do everything. We tend to want to be perfect in them. But we know it's impossible to be perfect. And when we cannot achieve perfection, we become really hard on ourselves. We may scold ourselves. We may say bad things to ourselves. And it's not good for our mental health. And whatever you say to yourself has an impact. So it's like this flower experiment that I have read before. And this guy, I don't know, I forgot who, but he said good things to his flowers every day and gave them ample light. Whereas with another group of flowers, he told them very bad things, like really bad. And after some time, the group of flowers with compliments, praises, grew really, really beautifully. And the group with bad comments, they died.